Well, good morning, team. It is February 15th, 9:03 a.m. I want to thank everybody, and I appreciate everyone being on the call this morning. We have a little bit to go through this morning and some updates in regards to what's going on out there in the world. But first, training, right? So what do we have on the training deck for this week? It's getting busy again, which is good. So first things first, this morning at 11 a.m., Devoted is doing their coffee and chat session with their brokers at 11 a.m. So if you have time this morning to jump on that call, you can check out our training calendar, and the link is provided. So get on there if you have any questions, concerns, or if you're looking for marketing opportunities. This one's geared towards the Orlando market, but everyone is invited. All right, tomorrow, the 16th, Tuesday, Humana is doing a training at 9 a.m. for their state and federal benefit programs for prospects. Great training on bringing value to your customers and prospects, helping them apply for extra help programs through the state and federal government. Lots of free programs, and it makes you look like a genius when you're helping your folks. It's a great way to generate leads. All right, so that's at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Link is in the training calendar. 10:30, same day on the 16th, tomorrow, Humana is doing a how to email plan-specific marketing materials to your customers. You can get that done. The training, again, is in the calendar. That's at 10:30 tomorrow. And then the last training for tomorrow, Devoted is doing an open training session, and that's for everyone there. They've got a link in the training calendar at 11 o'clock tomorrow. Moving on, Wednesday, the 17th, Welcome to Cigna training is at 10:30. So if you are looking for information on Cigna, or if you're new to Cigna, this is a great training to jump on. Link is in our training calendar as always. On the 17th, Wednesday, at 11 o'clock, Humana is doing a new agent webinar. So if you are a new agent, fantastic webinar series from Humana. You can learn all the ins and outs and tips and tricks on how to sell Humana. All right, Wednesday the 17th at 2 p.m., Dedicated and Devoted are doing a live training session, 2 p.m. on Wednesday. There is a link if you can't attend in person. I believe this is for the Orlando market, but if you are looking to join in, you can learn more about Dedicated. They have clinics and offices all over the state, and they're specifically doing a training with Devoted, so there it is. On Thursday this week, 10:30, Cigna is doing a producer university training, and again, that's at 10:30 on Thursday. Get familiar with Cigna and all the ins and outs on how to do that. Also on Thursday, 11 a.m., Humana is doing their veteran training. If you are wanting to learn more about veterans and how to market and assist those folks, there's no one better than Humana that will teach you on how to do that. In case you don't know, they hold the government contract for TRICARE. So they do know veterans very, very well, and they serve that community wonderfully. So that's on Thursday at 11. And then also at, looks like 11:30, Devoted is doing another coffee and chat session. Again, this is kind of an open forum. Any questions or ideas or thoughts that you have about Devoted, if you need help, that's at 11:30 on Thursday. This one's for the Tampa, Polk County market specifically, but everyone is invited to join as well. And then on Thursday, last training of the week, at 2 o'clock, Humana is doing their enrollment hub training. All right, so how to do a full enrollment virtually, remotely for your customers is at 2 p.m. on Thursday. So that's the training of the week. I hope everyone takes training seriously, especially right now when it's a little bit slower. It's a good time to get training on all the systems and the benefits and everything that's happening there out in the world today. All right, so quickly, as you may know and hopefully know, that today is the first day of the special open enrollment that President Biden has opened up for ACA. So today is officially the first day that you can take an application for what we affectionately call Obamacare. So we have another open enrollment all the way through until the Monday, in May 15th. So on May 15th is the last day that you will be able to do the enrollment for this special enrollment period. So please keep that in mind. We have about 3 months to help those folks that don't have health insurance, or if they're looking for health insurance or they made a mistake in their health insurance and they really need to get something different. Now's the time to do it. Today's the first day. So if you write somebody today, it would be effective March 1st, and then so on with March would be April, and then enrolling in April would be May, and then May and June. So all the way through until June 1st effective dates is what we're looking for. But again, this is for all enrollment and applications throughout all the carriers that are out there this year. And a lot of them are running bonuses. So the big bonuses that are out there right now, the biggest one that I see is Ambetter. Ambetter is now writing for every person that you enroll in Ambetter, and not policy, person, you're going to get $30 an application per person per month. So jumped up from $20 to an additional $10 per person per month, $30 per person per month, and then on top of that you get a one-time $100 bonus for each of those people. So unbelievable as far as benefits are concerned for commissions, unbelievable for ACA. I've never seen it that high. Really, really strong commissions. Very, very impressed with what Ambetter and a few of these other carriers are rolling out. Oscar is also doing a bonus structure. Again, I know that we called you last week, all those that are writing for Oscar, whichever bonus level that you were at during AEP, that will continue until June 1st. If you do more applications, it does not bump you up to the next year. It's simply just going to continue on that bonus road, if you will. So really big bonuses that are happening out there for ACA business. I really hope that you guys are taking advantage of that, because it's an incredible time to write business for ACA. All right, and so, it is a little bit difficult with COVID getting out there and getting around. We do understand that. But, hopefully, if you've been able to get shots and vaccines done, good on you. I think that's great. I think most states and most areas are now focusing on those folks that are 65 and older. So those are the first up to bat. And I heard this morning that Publix is taking reservations for the COVID-19 vaccination. But you do have to be over the age of 65 and show ID. So if you haven't gotten a vaccine yet, if you're over the age of 65, this is a good place to get it done. And I'm talking because I know that your clients are calling, or you're talking to them, and they're probably asking you, where should I go to get this vaccine done? And, we know it's slim pickings out there. We know it's difficult to find places that are doing these vaccines. So with that, just please know that Publix is now taking reservations. So as far as I know, you could just go in and talk to somebody there. They should guide you. I would recommend the pharmacy. They'd probably guide you on how to get on that list and get on the reservations there. But from a marketing perspective, I just want to kind of, bring this up. If I was an agent and I was out there looking for prospects and leads, now that I know that Publix is offering a campaign to 65 and older, I would definitely start a relationship with maybe one or two of those Publix pharmacists and just let them know what you do, and you're out there to help people, with their finances, and making sure that you're helping them with health insurance. And then also let them know that open enrollment has started. You're now a resource, and this is a great way to help those folks in need. So I doubt that they're going to let you set up a booth or anything like that, but I would drop off business cards and, again, just build that relationship, come by, introduce yourself, check on them, and let them know that you've got other resources to help people with health insurance. So Publix, there you go. All right. Devoted has also rolled out, actually kind of renamed their Sellers Rewards program. And just as a reminder, for every application that you do, Devoted is now doing a rewards program. It's through their Healthy Stars, their Star Sellers program. So please check your email on that. They've got details on the different tiers that you can get, but you can get invited to special events and receive marketing credits, and so you can start building your book of business with the marketing materials that they have, pull-up banners and giveaways, and all this great stuff. The more and more that you're adding to the Devoted network as you're enrolling people, really great bonus program that's out there. Check your email for details. I think that it's going to be really important, as you're going through and helping people in the future, just helping yourself with all the sales and everything that you're doing out there. We need all the help we can get, especially since COVID makes it a little bit more difficult to do business out there. Knowing that a company like Devoted is willing to invest and help you in marketing as you're putting business in is really, really great to know that somebody's out there and behind you. So just know that. All right. Many of you are aware that Humana has rolled out a healthy foods card, which has been a really big hit for a lot of you to do enrollments. And just as a reminder, seniors can get groceries and healthy, nutritious food and produce delivered to their door through their Healthy Foods program. So it looks like that's caught on. Aetna is now doing that. If you check your email, Aetna is rolling out their version of the Healthy Foods card, and so based on where you are, they are rolling it out to their DSNP program first, it looks like. So if you're in Florida, you're going to be getting anywhere from $25 to $50 of that Healthy Foods card allowance, and that's every month. If you're in Georgia, for instance, you're getting $25 a month. California gets $25 a month. New Jersey is getting $50 a month. Let's see, Texas, $25 a month. So these are Healthy Food card allowances. You don't need to do anything. They can call in to Aetna, and they'll give them more information on how to get enrolled and set up on the Healthy Foods card allowance. From what I understand, it looks like the DSNP members may get that card automatically, so just keep that in mind. But if they don't get it, don't panic. Just call Aetna with your member, and they should be able to get one of those Healthy Foods cards out to their home. Now, they do have to be on the DSNP, so just ensure that on the DSNP membership, for instance, in Florida, it's the Assure and the Assure Plus DSNP plan. Just make sure that you know that. And again, check your emails for details depending on where you're selling. Great little benefit that they've got available to help folks in need and get those groceries done. All right, so this morning I wanted to talk about Humana's new membership, and this is something that we saw last week. They started rolling out their videos, and I think we showed one from Aetna a couple weeks ago about what a member gets when they first enroll, especially when they are new to Medicare in general. These startup videos are really, really important, and they may or may not be getting them depending on if they're checking their emails. We get that. I know Aetna went out of their way to customize the videos for each one of the members, but it looks like Humana's done the same. So I'm going to attempt to share my screen here so I can share with you the video that that Humana is rolling out to their new enrollees. So I'm hoping everyone can hear this. If not, shoot me over a chat, but I'm going to go ahead and show you this video here this morning.
At Humana, we strive to deliver everything you expect from your insurance company, but that's just the beginning. What we do is more than health insurance. It's human care. Human care is about giving you more. More time to understand your needs, more services that fit your life, and more ways to help you live the way you want. So we've created this video to help you fully understand your plan. Let's get started. As a new Humana member, you should have received several important plan documents in your mail or email, depending on how you choose to receive information from us. You can also view them anytime in your secure My Humana account. These important plan documents include your summary of benefits, which is a short overview of your benefits. The information you need is just a click away. Visit humana.com/plan documents to check details about your plan, including benefits and costs. If you'd like a printed evidence of coverage, provider directory, or drug list mailed to you, you can request one online or call 1-800-457-4708, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Please have your Humana member ID card ready when you call. And when asked for the reason you called, say evidence of coverage, drug list, or provider directory. Your Humana member ID card was mailed separately. If you need help using our online tools, please call the number on the back of your ID card. We're here to help. Want more information about your Medicare Advantage plan? You can find it all in your secure online account called My Humana. This is a very important part of your Humana membership. My Humana provides you with access to your plan information organized in one easily accessible place. Use My Humana to find in-network doctors, get access to wellness programs and educational resources, view your healthcare spending, and check the status of your claims. You can also choose to receive some of your plan documents online instead of mailed to your home and view them anytime in your account. To activate your My Humana account, go to humana.com/activate account. Each month you use your plan benefits and have a claim, Humana will mail you a personalized statement called a Smart Summary. It includes the details about your medical claims and prescriptions filled in the past month. It also includes tips and suggestions on how you may be able to lower monthly spending. Members who have activated their My Humana account can view their Smart Summary online. Next, let's talk about payment premium options. If you enrolled in a plan with a premium, you can save time each month by setting up automatic payments. Available automatic payment methods include bank withdrawal, Social Security deductions, railroad retirement deductions, and credit or debit card payments. If you don't choose to set up automatic payments, we'll send you a coupon book. You can use the coupon book to pay by check or money order each month. You can also make payments by visiting humana.com/pay or by using the My Humana mobile app.
When you visit My Humana, you're able to review plan information and your Smart Summary to get suggestions on how you might be able to lower your monthly spending. You can also set up automatic payments with My Humana. It's easy. When using My Humana, if you have questions, you can use the chat feature to get help finding what you need.
When it comes to your health, you're in control. It is important for you to have a primary care doctor to help oversee your care and help you get any important health screenings you may need throughout the year. So be sure to schedule an annual wellness visit with your doctor early in the year. A wellness visit is like a planning session where you and your doctor can spend time talking about your health and your life. The two of you can create a plan for your health to help you avoid or reduce the effects of conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. It may also help educate you on how to reduce dangerous fall hazards and visits to the emergency room. Many Humana health plans cover these annual wellness visits at no additional cost to you. If you don't have a primary care physician, or you need help finding one in your Humana network, don't worry. Visit humana.com/find a doctor to search for doctors, hospitals, and other facilities in your Humana network. Or give us a call, and we'll help you find a doctor that best fits your needs.
It's really easy to use the online tools to find a doctor or urgent care center. Just use your phone, tablet, or computer and go to Humana.com. Then use the Find a Doctor search tool.
If you've had a recent hospital stay or a skilled nursing facility stay, or if you have been diagnosed with a chronic condition and you need help with meal planning and nutrition, check out the Humana Well Dine program. Humana Well Dine may send you packaged, nutritionally complete, refrigerated meals that are ready to heat and eat from the microwave in 2 minutes or less. And there are a variety of meal plans, including general wellness, diabetic-friendly, pureed, lower sodium, and more. Also provided is a guide to healthy eating with tips on nutrition and health. Step it up with Silver Sneakers. You've probably heard of this fitness program. With participating fitness facilities across the country, Silver Sneakers can help you get more active, build strength, lose weight, gain confidence, and join in social activities. Not everything calls for a gym or a swimming pool. Silver Sneakers offers online classes and workshops, video-on-demand workouts for home use, a fitness app, and classes specifically for seniors. Most Humana Medicare Advantage plans include Silver Sneakers at no extra cost to you. To find out more, visit silversneakers.com or call 888-423-4632, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You'll need your Humana member ID to activate your membership. And in some areas, you can utilize services from Humana's Neighborhood Guidance Centers. These centers are a great resource to help you support your health goals. Take advantage of one-on-one health and wellness education. These free, virtual, or telephonic appointments are available with our health educators. Our qualified professionals can provide customized education to help you achieve your best health. Call your neighborhood center to schedule an appointment. You can also join Humana's community of free online classes and demos focused on achieving your best health from the safety and comfort of your home. These classes are designed to help you stay connected and improve physical and mental health during this challenging time. And if you have questions about your benefits or need help finding or changing providers, you can speak with our on-site customer care specialist.
You can enjoy free online health and wellness classes through Humana. Stay safely connected and spend more time being active.
Take advantage of mail delivery pharmacies. Your plan includes access to preferred cost-sharing pharmacies, including Humana Pharmacy, which may save you money on certain prescriptions. And with Humana Pharmacy, you can get your medications shipped safely to your door so you can stay safe at home. Get Tier 1 and 2 medicines delivered for no cost for a 90-day supply. Receive refill reminders by email, text, or phone. You decide. And you can be confident in Humana Pharmacy's free standard shipping in discreet, temperature-controlled packaging. No driving to the pharmacy or waiting in line. Other pharmacies are also available in our network. Another great part of some Humana plans includes a monthly or quarterly allowance for over-the-counter items such as vitamins, pain relievers, and cough and cold medicines. Check your plan's evidence of coverage for more information about over-the-counter benefits, or visit your My Humana online account. We hope the information we've shared with you today was helpful. Thank you for choosing Humana.
All right, so I hope that kind of helped you give you an insight on what exactly Humana is doing with your members once they enroll. I think this was an amazing retention tool initially when folks are, first enrolled. I know that we talk about the 10, 30, 60, 90-day campaign, but Humana is also doing as much as they can on their side to ensure that your members are enrolled properly and understand the benefits. And so this tool, right away, I saw this and I thought that this was a fantastic guide for new enrollees. I love it. I think that it will eliminate buyer's remorse So if people are a little on the fence, yeah, they enrolled with you with Humana, but then they get this video and they watch it, I think it just reinforces everything that you talked about as their agent and all the great benefits that they're getting. So, where this video comes from, it's going to their email. So again, this is another reason why we want to ensure that you are collecting emails when and if possible for your membership, because that goes on the application, and it's a really, really great resource for your members. So just keep in mind also that I know that you guys are busy, but Humana teaches a 3, 30, 60, and 90-day campaign conversion, and this is a guide that you have available. So check your email on this. You can go to the link that I'm sharing here with you. Humana will send you out that 3, 30, 60, 90-day conversion guide, and they're the only company that's doing this. I think it's a phenomenal guide, and you should really build this into your business. And the basic idea of this, in case you're unaware, is after 3 days after you've enrolled your member, you want to call and check in on them. I like 10 days because they should have gotten their card by then. So maybe build in a 10-day or wait until the 10th day. That way you can ensure that the card they got was correct and accurate. And then you're going to call them on day 30, 60, and 90 days, right? And you're checking in with them. You're making sure they're using their benefits. You're checking in to see if they got to see the doctor. How's the plan working? And, oh, by the way, do you know anybody else that I can help? Each one of those touching points is a referral generating point. But what I like about the campaign is by the end of it, on the 90th day, your client feels like you're so engaged with them and you call them all the time. And really, you've only called them 4 times after they enrolled. But that's really helping build the relationship. And we talk about this a lot in this business. It's all about relationships. And I think, if you struggle to build a relationship with your clients, I think part of that, you really have to go back and look at what your strategy is. And so, 30, 60, 90-day campaign is a wonderful strategy to use. And the agents that use this and carry it across the board, not only just for their Humana membership, but for everyone, have a higher retention rate and generate more client referrals, which is what it's all about, right, guys? So with that, that pretty much covers what I had for today. The only other thing on my menu today was we do have a Disney trip coming up. This is for our annual AEP wrap-up that we're having in April. So everyone on this call is invited. Those top producers, you have been invited, and we are covering some of the expenses for you, either the cabin we're staying at or the Disney trips, or whether you qualified to have somebody come with you. So we really appreciate, those top producers. Congratulations to you. You already know who you are. Cindy's been contacting you and getting arrangements done. But those of you that did not qualify, that's okay. You're still invited. We want to invite every and all of you out we're going to Fort Wilderness, the Disney campground, and it's right there next to the parks. Wonderful, wonderful place, and it gives us a chance to kind of do stuff together but have social distancing, which is the best idea that we could come up with, for this year and still participate. So I hope you will all come and join us. So if you do have questions or you're interested in the trip in April, it's going to be on the backside of April. Please reach out to Cindy, Cindy Samuel. You should all have her email, but you can call our office, 844-696-3975, or just let any one of us know and we'll connect you with Cindy, and she'll get arrangements and pricing and all that. She's got a group deal, so you'll be able to get in with our team a little bit less expensive than what you would normally get, the opportunity to get into Fort Wilderness. So very family oriented. Obviously, I love it, and it's Disney, so you can't go wrong with that. A little bit of homework too. I mean, great customer service and culture. I'm always learning from Disney. They have a fantastic organization, and they really do take care of their people. Not only their guests, which they don't call them customers, right? They take care of their guests, but also their cast members, which is what they call their employees, which is very creative, but also kind of gives you a little bit of their stigma into their culture. So always wonderful to learn. So we're doing our field trip and our appreciation on the backside of April. Again, for details and times and dates, please get with Cindy and she will set that up for you. All right. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and open it up for any questions that you might have. Let me go ahead and unmute everyone. All right. So good morning. If anyone has any questions or needs help with anything, I have open mic for you. All right. Any questions this morning? Okay. Wow. Everyone needs some coffee. Well, with that, if you have any other questions, you guys know how to reach us, 844-696-3975. Give us a call, text, email, flare gun, whatever it takes for us to serve you best. We really appreciate it. I hope everyone has a fantastic week. Thanks and take care.